Now change of hands. The same people, you can see the block work is now almost done. The decking have to be, so it's change of hands. I'm taking the masons, the professional masons away, then replace them with the carpenters. When they finish, they will also come. We are going to different sites to we update you from there too. So this is a changeover. A4 on show. Okay, this is where we are now of the family house project. Thank you.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Pram Pram apartment project. This was a five-bedroom house that we were building for our subscriber here on the channel, I think 4 years ago. But he has changed his mind, seeing what we are doing on the channel and how people are getting into apartments, investment projects. And from what I've been sharing here on the channel, he decided to convert his house, I would say his mansion, into an apartment, which we're going to have three-bedroom apartment with this project.
You are once welcome to the Prom Prom project. We started this project about 4 years ago. So you can see building is not built in a day. You reorganize yourself a little, then you come to face it. So the blocks are here. We are coming to continue the laying. So that is what is ongoing now. You can see the structure, very, very solid. So it may be here with the rains, with whatever, no deterioration on it. You can see very, very solid. I haven't taken you through this building before. So this is how it looked like when you enter from the foyer. You either go left or the right. We have a first bedroom here, and then you walk back to the living room. It's a very huge room, but later on we changed the design where we have to put this block, like all this place, all this new block, all this new block, including this very room and the toilet and bath over here are all one common living room. So the design have changed where the staircase have to go outside, which can be apartment now. So you can see the heavy beams running through. So it is wider space but still durable and strong. You can see for yourself. Yes. No sun passing through. So you may know the quality that have been done here. Work that have been done. So the kitchen space and the kitchen store, that was then the living. Still a living that have been divided into two. But still you can see the space around. A very huge one. Yes. Which we have the laundry here. So from the foyer, either you come to the left for the laundry and also the visitors WC. Yes. To reserve this place as an engineering area. So this was initially a garage. Since the design have changed, it have changed to a bedroom. Yes, which we created it WC at this point. So it has the WC and then the bath in this area. So that's it. We are putting the same thing at the top now, so that it may be 3 bedrooms apartments. Yes. So when I take you out, this is also the first bedroom I'm talking about. It has its own WC and then a wardrobe on the side here. Yes. So let me take you out. By taking you out, for sake of convenience, the staircase lies at the side here, where from the inside even you can decide to break through, give a wall that may break through it from here to the other side, where everybody can have his own gate into the house. So here will be a compound of one living at the top, and then the other side being the gate of the one living at the bottom. So when you climb, it's your staircase. You know our staircase, so I won't comment about it. Very solid, and its movement on it becomes very easy. So that's it. So easy to move on this staircase. You know it's hanging. All these places are cantilever hanging. And we know what we've done to it. So walking without fear, no shaking. So it's the same thing we are putting on here. So you get your foyer, and then same thing as the down. So as everything have changed, it have changed to the top too. I save the same form here. Yes. So you can see a living room that have been divided into two. I can still see the size of it. Initially, all these places are all part of the living room. But still, the decking is hanging and very durable. Hitting less on it, you will know it's very, very strong and durable. Yeah, that's what we do. There's a little hangover here where you can come out to stay outside. You can see hanging and very, very durable. Yes, that's what we do. It have been left here for many months without attending to it. But we are coming back to continue. So that is beauty. Don't rush. Little by little, you get to your destination. Only you go target by target, target by target. So you get to your destination without you knowing It's a tough task to.
So, step by step, as I always share here on the channel, if you rush your building process, you miss so many things. You miss a lot. So, just take your time to do it. We are not in a race. So, when he took his time, he's able to make the changes, to know what is best for him. You could see he has acres of land. It's a 1 acre land, and he can divide it into four and build his dream house on the next plot using the apartment rental money to build his dream house with no stress. So if you want to follow this project, I'm going to name this project the Pram Pram Apartment Project. You can check in my playlist, you'll see how we started with this project and how far we are now and how far we will be going with this project. FO has done work on this project, did the decking, the steel benders have also done their work there. I have action videos of this project, so please go to my playlist. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my latest update on all the projects that we are working on. Like this video, share to a friend to motivate, each other. Thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel, and I'll see you in my next episode. Look, do we?